The push for Nigeria to harness cutting-edge science to solve its developmental challenges took center stage yesterday at the third Nigerian Bioinformatics and Genomics Conference in Boeing University, Washington State. The event saw the celebration of top scientists and a strong call for collaboration between researchers and the government. Tobi Sanusi was there and now reports.
Theme: Harnessing Bioinformatics and Genomics Science for Sustainable Development in Africa. The third edition of the Nigerian Bioinformatics and Genomics Conference kicked off at Bowen University, Iwo, Osun State, with a clear message of actualizing sustainable development goals. The event, which brought together leading minds in the field, began with a charge from the president of the Nigeria Bioinformatics and Genomics Network, Professor Charles Adetunji, who urged the next generation of scientists to key into transformational research to solve global problems in agriculture, the environment, and other critical sectors.
To lay on the well-laid foundation in terms of science, it's high time we prioritize science and engage in translational research and key into what we know how to do best. We might be black, but our brain is not black. It's high time we go to the community and base most of our invention on community-based investment. No longer business as usual.
Representing the Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke, the Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Innovation, Science, Technology and Digital Economy, Olufunke Jolayemi, stated that the government will prioritize scientific development, citing ongoing investment in education research, smart farming and youth development.
We understand that governance must be science-driven. Our policies and programs are guided by evidence, innovation, and inclusivity. We have made deliberate investments in, number one, education and research, strengthening science curricula, supporting tertiary institutions, and encouraging partnership with global networks.
In his address, Osun State Commissioner for Agriculture and Food Security, Tola Fasheru, stressed that only Nigerians can develop the nation and called for synergy between the private sector and the government to sustain new innovations.
And I charge them that nobody is going to develop Nigeria for Nigeria. Nigerians are the ones that can develop Nigeria. Nigeria has been great. We have attained something before. It means that, yes, there has been a shortfall. There has been a regression. It means that we can still come back, not only to where we used to be, but also to do even better.
A major highlight was the celebration of scientists and the conferment of the highest degree of recognition in the Nigerian Bioinformatics and Genomics Network, Nbgn, as 9 distinguished professors were decorated as Nbgn Fellows by the Vice-Chancellor of Bowen University, Professor Jonathan Babalola. The 9 fellows include Professor Kola Oloke, renowned for developing 2 vaccines during the COVID-19 pandemic, alongside Professors Nash Oyekomi, Marion Olubumi, Christian Happy, Oluyomi Adeyemi, Muhammad Yerima, Shegun Fatumo, the Nbgn President, Professor Charles Adetunji, and Professor Abimbola Owosheni. Similarly, the Nbgn also presented an Exceptional Leadership and Distinguished Governors Award for Scientific Excellence to Governor Adeleke, while the Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, Kolapo Alimi, also bagged Leadership Award. Meanwhile, a keynote presentation by Dr. Rajana Bhattacharjee highlighted the challenges of sub-Saharan Africa, noting that Nigeria is witnessing unprecedented climate change and suffering from low agricultural productivity. She, however, called for agricultural transformation by harnessing technology despite challenges like overpopulation, while urging Nigerian government to invest heavily in yam production.
You can't grow everything everywhere. So you need to make sure that you divide your country into agroecological zones and find out where what can grow. Without partnership, nothing can be done, whether national, regional, or international.
Responding, the Agriculture Commissioner, Mr. Fasheru, assured stakeholders that Osun State government is ready to collaborate to boost agriculture productivity.
The collaboration should start now. We are ready to work with you to work with all the stakeholders to project. If it's just cocoa and the yam, let's drive it together, and we will get whatever that is needed.
The conference concluded with emphasis on the critical role of genomics and bioinformatics in shaping a sustainable future for Nigeria and Africa at large. Toby Sanusi.